All right, with surface area of a sphere, okay, what all is going to be involved in our formula? Pi is going to be involved. What else?
Squared.
The radius squared. Good. Okay, the formula for surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times r squared. So 4 pi r squared. So what's the only thing we have to know about the sphere? The radius, right? So on A, what's the radius? 8. We have everything? All you gotta do is plug it in now. So we have 4 pi times 8. Don't forget to square your radius. Okay. What needs to come first when we solve? Yep, that exponent. What's 8 squared? 64. What's next? Yep, 64 times 4. So we get 256. And then what's our last step? Times pi, we get what? 804.2. Careful now. It's inches, but why is it squared now?
Because we're looking for surface area.
Good. We have to make sure we read directions so we know what we're looking for and what we need to label. Good. Okay, how does B change things? Right, because it gave us the whole diameter. We want the radius. So how do I find the radius from the diameter? Divide by 2, we get 5. We have everything? You should be saying yes. So we have 4 pi times 5 squared. Again, what do you need to do first? Squared, which we get 25. Next. What do we do next? Yep, I heard it. We get 100 when we multiply. Last thing, times pi, we get what? What would our label be? Centimeters squared. Right, remember, it's squared because surface area. Okay. On that next, go ahead and try 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Do not do 3. All right, let's do number 1 together. What's the formula for surface area of a sphere?
Bulk.
What's the formula? 4 pi r squared. Okay, so what's the only thing we need to know? The radius, which is 4. Plug it in. Biggest thing, do not forget to square your radius. Anybody get an answer for it? What is it? And what's our label? Inches squared because surface area. Okay, number 2, what's our radius? 6. Use the formula, plug it in. You guys already did it. What'd you get for your answer? What'd we get? 452.3 feet squared. Good. Any questions over surface area of a sphere?